Hello guys, this is Prathamesh Nandudekar. I am currently pursuing my MBBS from Dr. Ullas Patil Medical College and Hospital, Jalgaon, and I am second year MBBS student. And my roll number is 176. And today's my topic is history of pharmacology. So let's get started. Pharmacology, study of substance that interact with the living system through the chemical process, especially by binding with the regulatory molecules. In short, it is science that deals with drugs. Here, the drugs are referred as regulatory molecules. Pharmacon is the active principle and logos a disclosure, which is a Latin words. Next, what is drug? Drug is any substance or a product that is used or intended to be used or to modify or to explore a physiological system or pathological states for the benefit of recipient. Indirectly, a drug is a substance which cure diseases or which improve our physical or mental health. Indirectly, we call it as medicine. So, what is a medicine? Medicine is a chemical preparation which usually, but not necessarily, contains one or more drugs administered with the intention of producing a therapeutic effect. Usually contains other substances besides the active drug to make them more convenient to use. So it is about the pharmacology. So next we head towards the history. So let's start it. Pharmacology is born as science in mid 19th century. Long before that, we use natural substances such as plants, animals, minerals, substances which are derived from them, but it has no scientific basis. Example, concoction of the worms, dung, urine, such as. Allopathy is a science which develops a long ago. It produces a food letting emetics and purgatives, which leads to many deaths. To introduce other suffering to relieve the pain and suffering. Reasons for the failure are poor knowledge of functioning of body, lack of experimentation and observation, close treatment between the religion and treatment of disease. Homeopathy is the same science which treats on basis of similar suffering, like cures like. In this science, dilution enhances the potency of drugs in homeopathy. Dr. Samuel Hahnemann gave valuable contribution in development of homeopathy. Now we start with pioneers of pharmacology. Francisco Magendie, a pioneer of experimental pharmacology. Claude Bernard, a father of modern experimental medicine. Oswald Schindler, father of modern pharmacology. John Jacob Abel, father of American pharmacology. Colonel Ramnath Chopra, who is the father of our Indian pharmacology. Louis Lasgana, father of clinical pharmacology. And we all know Paul Ehrlich, a father of modern chemotherapy, which is in the syllabus. Indian aspect of pharmacology. Vedas, our earliest records in Rig Vedas are 3000 BC, which give great knowledge about the drugs, medicines, and pharmacology. Charaka, a father of Indian medicine, along with the Sushruta, Vagbhata, described about the 300 medicinal preparation for our benefit. Ayurveda, which is the oldest science, which is science of life, it discovered in 2500 BC. Ayurveda is based on two territories. Charaka Samhita, medical, more than 650 drugs including animals, plants, and mineral origin. Sushruta Samhita is surgical. Lord Dhanvantari, physician of gods, which is also known as father of Ayurveda, natural remedies, antiseptic properties of turmeric, preservation of properties of, which are all invented by Lord Dhanvantari. Disturbance in the four elements, wind means Vayu, mind means Pitta, blood, Rakta, responsible for disease, is the basis of the Ayurveda. Plant-based treatment, root, leaves, fruits, bark, seeds, is based on Ayurvedas. Animal products, milk, bones, gallstones. Minerals, sulfur, arsenic, lead, copper, sulfate, which is all used in Ayurveda. Alcoholic beverages like Madhya, purified opium, diarrhea, dysentery, increased sexual muscular abilities, oils for head massage applied on affected areas, which is all used in Ayurveda and is still practiced and widely practiced in many areas of the India. Purified opium is also used for the diarrhea, dysentery, and increasing sexual and muscular abilities. Now we head towards the Siddha system. It invented in Tamil Nadu. Siddhas are spiritual adepts with supernatural powers. Agastya is also known as the father of Siddha medicine, in which use palm leaf manstrums. A healthy soul can only develop through the healthy body, which is the basis of Siddha system. Herbal products, inorganic substances, animal products, which are used in the Siddha system. It is based on the mode of application like internal medicine, oral route, external medicine, nasal, eye drops, and leech application. It is still practiced in Tamil Nadu, and jaundice is mainly cured by the Siddha system in Tamil Nadu. BSMS is degree of Bachelor in Siddha Medicine and Surgery, which is widely famous in Tamil Nadu. MCQs related to the history of pharmacology. Let's get started. Father of Indian pharmacology. So its now answer is Colonial Ramnath Chopra, as we see in previous slides. Father of Indian Ayurveda. It is Dhanvantari, who is the inventor of many things. According to the Ayurveda, purified opium is used for diarrhea, dysentery, increased muscular abilities, and all of the above. Basically, it is used for all of the above. Fourth, father of modern chemotherapy. Francisco Magendie, Louis Lasana, Paul Ehrlich, and Jacob L. Mainly, Paul Ehrlich is a father of modern chemotherapy. Next, valuable contribution in the development of homeopathy is given by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Thank you.
Thank you.